What's up, guys? Today we're going to be looking at the AirCove by ExpressVPN. This is a portable VPN built-in router, which is great for traveling overseas or any type of traveling. This is what comes in the box. You get some stickers, you get a guide. Here are the stickers, very cool. And what you're going to get is the product. So here you're going to have your charger and your plugs. Here's the actual router in this nice little travel bag. As you can tell, it is very compact. And yeah, I plan on going overseas, and I know that the country I go to, I'm not going to be able to access all the same stuff I have here in the US, so I'm going to pick this up. That's where your internet goes. Then you have 2 LAN ports to plug into your device. And yeah, very small, about the size of an iPhone or a portable charger. Once we open this up, we are going to get the Ethernet cord. So this is your Ethernet line in or out. This is your power supply. And so, as you can tell, there are various plugs, so you can adapt to whatever country you're in. I believe this is for the UK. This is for, Australia, France, Europe. But if you go around the world, these are typically the only, these are most of the plugs that you'll find. So these really just snap on to the power supply. And here are the 2 antenna that are coming out. Love the color, love the design. Very simple. Has a USB Type-C plug for the power. And let's go ahead and plug this up. Here it's turned on. At the bottom, you're going to find your website, so you can log into the router, and also your password is going to be at the bottom. Once you get in, if you want to connect to Wi-Fi, you're going to have to go to this Wi-Fi link in the internet settings. If you're going to do Ethernet, then you obviously click on the Ethernet. And if that's not working, then you actually have to update the router. I can go into detail on that. If you have any questions, drop them below. But yeah, this is the AirCove by ExpressVPN. Going to check this out once I go overseas, and I'll do a part 2.